Today I will tell you about a very useful WordPress plugin. Okay. Many times we don't remember the cPanel password, and but we need to update the PHP file. At that time we need this helpful WordPress plugin. When we forget the cPanel password or many things, then we download or install this plugin, and this plugin name is plugin section. Okay, plugin name is WP file. First one, and how to work this file. Okay, take a time for installing, uninstall, and then active. And this plugin. Okay, and here we access all PHP files. Here I see all PHP file is present here. Mail, login, all file, all, and WP content, plugins, theme, upgrade, upload. This plugin is active my this WordPress site now. Okay, this plugin is very helpful plugins. Thank you.